Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair exploded 1.8% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1.7% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair gained 0.4% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
US stocks rose, bouncing modestly from a sharp drop in the prior session after the Fed forecasts fewer than expected interest rate cuts and higher inflation next year. Economic data backed up the Fed's view, with weekly initial jobless claims falling more than expected, while GDP for the third quarter was revised to show a 3.1% increase. Funds stolen by hacking cryptocurrency platforms surged 21% from a year ago to $2.2 billion in 2024, a report from Chain Analysis showed. The hacking amount exceeded $1 billion for the fourth straight year, and the number of incidents rose to 303 from 282 in 2023. The dollar edged back from a two-year peak hit the prior session after the Federal Reserve signaled a much slower pace of rate cuts in 2025, while the yen slid after the Bank of Japan stood pat on rates.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The economic calendar is set to release a variety of key reports in the days ahead. Market participants should take note of high-impact events, as these could steer market positioning and broader trading sentiment. These releases may offer new insights into market behavior. Watching closely for reactions and adjusting your plan can enhance your investment approach.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.